Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Returning with our Tesla Model 3. We are going to remove all of our electronics here, transfer them over to our new windshield. You'll notice they changed their little cap here that they have on these. These ones are pretty easy to take off. We're going to take our TRT here, and this is one of the nice things about having these super thin blades. I'm going to lift this up right here on the side. You can see that little gap, and we're simply going to slide that in there and give it a little twist. That'll pop off. I'm going to slip that off of there, and then we've got our mirror here. I'm gonna let's see here. I'm gonna push these guys in here so we can get this guy off of here. Pop that loose and set that aside, and then we're going to unplug our mirror. Take that plug out, and then unlace that little guy. It goes through that little loop there, and give our mirror a twist. Take that off, and we're going to set that over here. And these guys, I'm just going to give this a twist on both sides here, and pop this loose like so. Then to make this easy, we're going to unplug these guys so we don't have to try to carry all of this over all together. These Tesla plugs, these guys, that little barb is pretty deep, so they stay pretty tight. You slide your ever-present screwdriver in here and give it a little bit of a twist, and that'll release that. Same thing over here. This one's a little closer to the top, so it's a little easier. Pop that one loose, and we'll set that guy aside over there as well. Then we can actually pull all this tape here, and we'll retape this when we go to, once we transfer everything, we'll retape all of that. We'll put our mirror cap over here, and we got our iFixit kit here. We'll grab our driver, and we're going to check where all of our little screws are at. There's those little mini Phillips head I was talking about earlier, and you've got a super tiny Phillips, and you got a super sharp Phillips here. And the super sharp one works really well. It's a little bit bigger, but you've also got, I'm going to go ahead and unplug that guy as well. And the nice thing about this, you can drop all your screws in here. Swap that out. We're going to grab our Torx, make sure we got the right size. It was a little big. Looks like a T3. That's the one we want there. Start removing all of these. You can already see the advantage to this. We're not dropping all of this stuff inside the car and having to chase it. All this stuff is stainless, so while the magnet works, it doesn't work terrific. This thing's nice too because it's got this little piece on the end here. This little knob spins, so you can have your hand on top of it while you're unscrewing these. And not twisting your hand or making it harder to remove the screws. That. And we got two more hiding way down in here. Lift that one out. And this one right here. Like so. that one out. And now that is all loose. I'm going to set that aside there. We do not have our fan, so we're going to grab an even smaller Torx here. And pull these guys. Transfer our fan over first. Like so. You can see how this kit comes in handy. I don't have to dig for anything. All of my tools are right there. And it has all of this super small stuff that you're gonna need instead of having to buy a bunch of individual stuff, different size handles, all that garbage. Like that. Then take all of this, bring it over here, set that right there, and then lift out our rain sensor. Still got some thermal paste there, so we're all good. And drop that on our little alignment pin there. And we'll bring our tools over and put everything back. We're done with that one. Grab our Phillips head. We'll go ahead and anchor this guy first. Loosen that up a little bit so we can get a little bit of a shift here. This one doesn't quite line up. There we go. Tighten that one back down. Done with that. And we'll lay all this back in place here. Like so. Make sure everything lines up properly. Go ahead and plug that guy back in right now. And start putting all these back. Go. We're going to leave all these a little bit loose just in case we need to shift the plastics and stuff a little bit to make sure we get proper alignment. And then our two little hidden guys way down here. And we'll go ahead and tighten everything down. Make sure everything is snug. Don't need to crank these down. Just need to snug them up a little bit. That one. That one. Two more here. That one. And right there. Snug that one down. We're done with our kit. Then we can put all of this back together. Go ahead and plug in all of these guys like so. Push that down to lock it. And we're plugged in there. Just got our mirror plug. You can see these are angled a little bit. They don't go straight down, so you're going to have to make sure that lines up. back it with your hand on the back side so you don't break the glass. I'm going to leave this tucked down here tight. Actually, what we can do now is we can go ahead and we can put this in here so we don't have to fight the headliner to put it back. So we'll go ahead and put this in here like so. Make sure we got these all wrapped around our wires and they're nice and tight. And we'll take this and we'll leave that, we'll tape that right there. Boom. Take our mirror, put our mirror back on here. Go ahead and lace this back through like it was before. Snap that back in place. Go ahead and put this little barbed anchor back in like so. It snaps right in. And then on this guy they changed another little thing. You can see they got a little alignment channel right here, and then there's a lip right here that goes into that. So you're going to want to put this on the front edge first when you put this together. So slide those alignment channels in place, back it again, and just push down on it. And that snaps into place. And you are all ready to tape that off, shoot the glass, or shoot the body, and give it a set. That is swapping out the electronics from your old glass to your new glass on a 2024 Tesla Model Y. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.